Police is just standing there.
There's a guy trying to walk away.
We don't have hours to do anything.
Yes, they're heading in the same direction. That is a recipe for disaster, by the way. The gentleman is further up there with the pug, and the gentleman walking behind has the XL bully. I know you guys can't really do anything.
No, it's not.
It's not an XL bully. Really?
No. But I think we should make sure that they don't, they don't get together.
That's probably the best idea. Never an uneventful day in Leaf, eh?
Need to keep an eye on the pencil that we're going to. Really need to.
So, how are you? Yes, I am. I sure am. That's unbelievable, man. All I feel sympathy is for that guy. He was just walking along in that fucking animal. I mean, you know my big brother Darryl, he raises fucking Rottweilers and big dogs and that, and just these junkie bastards, they don't have any interest in raising the dog properly. It's fucking unbelievable. Wow. And then you guys don't have any powers to do anything. It's you can only do what you can do, I suppose. Nice wee day out, eh? This is very bad. Very, very bad. The guy whose dog was fighting with the other dog, they are coming close to each other. They are coming right up for each other. Oh, look, look. He's fucking barking. Wow. Wow. Are you... The police cannot do anything. The police cannot fucking arrest them because apparently they don't have the power to do anything. Even though we've got 100 witnesses who have just seen the guy's dog maul the shit out of another dog. Okay, let's go and have a look. Let's go and see. Hey, hey. This is it. From now on, I'm going to record everything that happens in this fucking shithole. This is the guy whose dog it is. This is the guy with the dog. There's the guy. Get your fucking dog away from the Bairns fucking pram, you stupid cunt.
What's named that thing if we knock on the window? Aye.
Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Yep. There he is. Doesn't know how to raise a fucking dog. Watch me, I'm not fucking scared of this cunt. I'm scared of the dog, maybe. Dangerous dog, keep away from the dangerous dog. See this guy? Fucking scumbag. Absolute scum. Yep. So I'm not going to keep filming this guy and his dog unless anything interesting happens. I'll keep a fucking close eye on this motherfucker because I do not trust him in the slightest. His dog should be fucking put down. There you go.